Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python and a package manager are ready. This matters because Jupyter Lab runs inside an environment. Once done, open your terminal or Anaconda prompt and update pip or conda so installs are stable. Next, create an isolated environment, conda create njlab python equals 3, 9 or python mvenvenv to avoid dependency conflicts. Activate that environment now. Activating ensures the packages you install go into the correct workspace and not the system-wide Python, where they could break other projects. You will now install Jupyter Lab and set up kernels so notebooks run predictably. Run pip install Jupyter Lab or conda install c conda forge Jupyter Lab. This brings the app and core deps. Then install ipykernel and register it with python m ipykernel install username equals jlab so the environment appears as a kernel option. If you need UI features, install pre-built extensions or use Jupyter Lab extension install for legacy ones. Make sure to rebuild when prompted so the interface reflects changes. You're ready to launch and secure Jupyter Lab. Run Jupyter Lab to open a browser or use Jupyter Lab no browser port equals 8888 for remote servers. This gives a URL with a token. Make sure to set a password via Jupyter Server password or use SSH tunneling for safe remote access. Once running, verify kernels start and notebooks execute. If something breaks, check the terminal logs and kernel output. Run Jupyter Lab debug to get detailed error messages and narrow down missing packages or port conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.